Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsha and I am from the Bodhi Academy and I am going to take different topics of 10th standard maths, and today we are going to see probability. Probability is an interesting topic. Here we find the outcomes or chances of an event. Now, event. Event is the experiment or an activity that is happening. Okay, then chances. Okay, chances of an event. Chances of an event are the means outcomes which we get from event. If it is tossing a coin suppose, then the chances are what? Getting a head and a tail. Okay, getting a head or a tail, which is also called outcomes. So what are the outcomes of a coin? Head and a tail. Okay, now the coin. Now, probability of an event is defined by the chances which we get from an event. Now, it is defined by probability of an event, that is P of E equal to number of outcomes favorable to E upon total number of outcomes. Okay. Now, what does the definition says? We'll try to see in example of tossing a coin only. Okay. Tossing a coin. Okay, now tossing a coin. Okay, now what are the chances which you get from tossing a coin? Okay, they are a head and a tail. Okay, this is H means head and T means head. Now, probability, if they are asked question like probability, find probability of getting a head. Okay, now we define probability of event as number of outcomes upon outcomes favorable to E upon total number of outcomes. Now equal to P of E equal to now number of outcomes favorable to E. Favorable to means the event that is happening here. Event is this, tossing a coin. Now, what are the number of outcomes which are favorable to E? E means find the probability of getting a head. Now, which are the heads here? Only one head is there. So, we'll write only one head upon total number of outcomes, which are 2. So, 1 upon 2 is the answer. Same way goes to tail. If they ask you same question of getting a tail. Okay, P of E equal to how many tails are there? Only one tail is there. So 1 upon total how many means outcomes are there? 2 outcomes are there. So 1 upon 2. So done with this question. Now, okay, we'll move on to the exercise 15.1. First, complete the following statements. Okay, probability of an event, I'll just mark it as P of E plus probability of not event. Okay, probability of not event is marked by E bar. Okay, this is probability of an event and this is probability of not an event. Should be always equal to 1. Okay, P of E plus P of E bar is always 1. Then, second, the probability of an event that cannot happen, that will not happen, will be 0, right? Probability of an event that will not happen will be 0 anyways. Then third, the probability of an event that is certain to happen. That is certain to happen, that means that is sure to happen. So P of event that certain to happen is always 1, means that will sure happen. The probability of an event that will surely happen will be 1, right? And that will not happen will be 0. Then fourth, now the sum of all the properties of elementary events of an experiment is 1. Okay, I'll give you example of this question. Okay, now tossing a coin. Okay, tossing a coin. Probability of head was what in tossing a coin? That was half. We saw it was half. Then probability of tail was what? It was also half. Okay. Now I am adding probability of head plus probability of tail. That will be half plus half. So here 2 is common in the denominator. So I will take 2 common and add these numbers which are there in the numerator. So equal to 2 upon 2. That is 1. It gets cancelled, you have 1. So sum of the probabilities of the 2 event is 1. Of 2 events, or there can be any events, any outcomes, that sum will always be 1. Okay. Then fifth one. The probability of an event is greater than or equal to dash and less than or equal to dash. Okay. If this is my probability of an event, okay, that is always less than or equal to 1. Probability of an event will always will be equal to 1 or less than 1 and will always be greater than 0. Okay, because if it is 0, then this won't happen. Event will not happen. Okay, and this probability of event can be greater than 0 or equal to 0 or okay less than or equal to 1. Okay, that is the first question. Now we will move on to the fourth question. This is the first question. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? Which of probability, which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? Okay, now options are 2 upon 3, B is minus 1.5, C is 15% and D is 0.7. Okay, now in this question, okay, we have already seen that a probability of an event lies between what? Is always less than or equal to 1 or greater than or equal to 0. Now we have to find such numbers which comes in between 0 to 1. Then the probability of an event will be valid. Okay, now 2 upon 3. What is 2 upon 3? 3 here, 2 here. Divide this and get the answer here. 3, I'll take 0 point here and a point here. This will be 3, 6 are 80. So this will come, yes, 2. Okay, this will be answer 0.6 something. Okay, so this definitely comes between 0 and 1. So this will be a probability. Now minus 1.5. Okay. Tell me if negative number comes between 0 and 1. No, negative number doesn't come between 0 and 1. So this won't be our probability. So the answer is B. Minus 1.5 is cannot be the probability of an event. Suppose I am writing an option E here and I am writing 1.5. Okay. Now tell me if 1.5 comes between 0 and 1. No, right? So see, 1.5 is greater than 1. So 1.5 will not come between 0 and 1, and 1.5 is also not a probability of an event. So we are done with the fourth question. Okay. Now fifth question. If P of E is 0.05, what is the probability of not E? Not. Okay. Now P of E is given as 0.05. Okay. And we have been asked not E. Okay. What is the relation between P of E and P of not E, which we saw in earlier question, that P of E plus P of not E, which is P of E bar. Okay. P of not E is what? Will be noted by P of E bar. Okay. Now P of E bar is what? 1 always. Always P of E plus P of E bar is 1. So now we have been given 0.0 P of E, which is 0.05 plus P of E bar we have to find. So we will write this as it is, equal to 1. Now we have to find, so we will write this again. P of E bar equal to 1. 0.05 will go on this side and become minus 0.05. Now these are the decimal points. Okay. Now how can we write 1.00? Okay, 1.00. Because see, when we buy something from market, suppose 15 rupees pack, then there it is written 15.00. Same way we can write 1.00 here, minus 0.05. Okay, we cannot remove 5 from 0, so we'll take here 1. So 10 minus 5 will become 5. Now this becomes 9 and this will become 0. 9 minus 0 will be 9 and 0 minus 0 will be 0. So this will be 0.95. So the answer of P of E bar, that is not E, is what? 0.95. Okay. That is, we are done with the fifth question. We will move to the next question. Now we'll see the sixth question. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Malini takes out one candy without looking. Okay. Find the probability first. An orange flavored candy. Okay, an orange candy. Second, a lemon flavored candy. Now, solution. Okay, a bag is containing full of lemon candies, lemon flavored candies only. Now, Malini takes out one candy without looking. She is taking the candy without looking into the bag. Now, find the probability an orange candy. Okay, now the bag is full of what? Lemon flavored candies. Then how can she take out an orange candy? So the probability of an event will be what? 0, right? Because there are no orange candies. So it will be 0. Then second, now a lemon candy. Okay, the bag is full of lemon flavored candies. So anyways, if he picks out any one candy, that will be only a lemon candy. So the probability of an event will be 1 because the bag is full of lemon candies only. Okay, now we are done with the 6th question. Now we will go on to the next question. Okay, 8th question. And this question is very important. Okay, this type of questions asked in the exams. Now, a bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that what is the probability that the ball is first red and not red? Solution. Solution to the first question. Okay. A bag is containing how many red balls? 3 red balls. 3 red balls. Then 5 black. 5 black. Then a ball is drawn at random. There is a bag in which 3 are red and 5 are black. A ball is drawn at random. From that bag, one ball is drawn at random. Okay, what is the probability that the ball will be red or not red? Okay, first, we'll write the definition. P of E is equal to number of outcomes to E and total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. Number of outcomes to E now. E, that is the event that is happening. Okay. Now how many red balls are there? 3, right? So number of this will be 3. A red ball will be 3 upon how many total number of balls are there? 3 plus 5, which is 8. So here I will write 8. So 3 upon 8 is the probability of the first question. Now the second question. Not E, not red. Okay. Now this is P of E. Suppose this is P of E, red. Then what will be not red? P of not E. And we know the equation, that is P of E plus P of E bar is 1, right? P of E is what? P of E is 3 upon 8 plus P of E bar is what? We don't know. So we'll find this equal to 1. So P of E bar will be equal to 1 minus 3 by 8. Now, how to solve this equation? Okay, this doesn't have a denominator. Okay, so we'll take denominator 8, only 8. Now, this doesn't have a denominator. So we'll multiply this 1 to 8, which is the common denominator now. Minus 3. So 1 into 8 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5 upon 8. So this is the answer. Or you can do it by C. P of not red means what? 5 black balls. So P of E will be, write the formula. Then P of not red will be what? 5 black balls. So 5 upon 8. You can find by this also and this also. If they ask you to do this way, then you can do this way. If they ask, this is the simplest way. Okay, now we move on to the next question. Ninth question. A box contains 5 red balls 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles, and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out from the bag. Okay. What is the probability that what is probability that the marble will be first red, second white, and third not green? Okay. Now, first solution. How many red marbles are there? 5. 8 white marbles. White are 8. Then green are 4. Then the total number of marbles will be what? 5 plus 8 plus 4. 5 plus 8 plus 4, which is what? 17, right? Yes. Then, okay, one marble is taken out from the bag. What is the probability that first it is red? Okay, P of E is what? First. Probability of an event is what? Number of outcomes to E upon total number of outcomes. Okay. Now, number of outcomes to E means the event, that is red. How many red marbles are there? 5. So 5 upon how many total number of outcomes? That is 70. So 5 upon 70. Then second white marbles. Probability of white marbles. P of E is same. The formula is same for every event. So equal to how many white marbles are there? 8 white marbles. So 8 upon 70. Now third, not green. P of not green. Okay. Same. Now P of not green means how many? Okay, this is green, 4. Okay, P of not green means what? Red and white. So how many red and white are there? Total 5 plus 8, which is, yes, 13. So 13 upon 70. So this is the solution for the 9th question, and we are done with topic, that is probability. So thank you everyone. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe my channel.